Hi, it's Saenger with Keller Williams Capital Properties, your probate specialist, and I wanted to take a moment to explain what my CPRES certification is and why working with someone with this certification matters to you. CPRES stands for Certified Probate Real Estate Specialist and is a nationally recognized designation received after completing an 8-week course taught by MTI Education specifically for realtors. Agents who receive the certification have undergone extensive training to understand the probate process, who's involved, and how to best serve personal representatives, estates, and the attorneys who work in this field. In short, they are well acquainted with all aspects of the probate process as it relates to real estate. The benefits of hiring a CPRES certified agent are: 1. Reliable expertise in the area of estate settlement. 2. Trustworthy guidance in regards to personal property liquidation. And 3. Timely management of the probate process. Finally, my certification helps me intuitively manage the needs of my clients during such a difficult time of transition. Once again, I'm Saenger with Keller Williams Capital Properties, your CPRES Realtor. Feel free to contact us now at info@usprobatecourt.com or by calling 301-200-1232. We look forward to assisting you with your probate case.